Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we're going over the most effective ways to solve the phone number issue on Steam so you can get back to gaming and secure your inventory. The most common reason for this error is the use of a VOIP or virtual number. Steam has strict security policies and generally blocks numbers from services like Google Voice, Talkatone, or other internet-based providers. To fix this, ensure you are using a standard mobile number from a recognized local carrier. Prepaid cards usually work, but they must be able to receive SMS messages. Next, double-check your formatting. When entering your number, select your correct country from the drop-down menu first. This automatically applies the country code. Do not manually type the country code again in the text box, and try entering the number without any spaces, dashes, or leading zeros. For example, if your number starts with a 0, try omitting it. If the information is correct but it's still not working, the issue might be your browser's cache. If you're using the web version of Steam, try switching to the desktop client, or vice versa. If you've made multiple attempts in a short period, Steam may have placed a temporary cooldown on your account. In this case, the best thing to do is wait 24 full hours without making any new attempts before trying again. Finally, ensure your account isn't already linked to that number on a different profile. Steam allows one number for multiple accounts, but if there's a recent ban or restriction on another account linked to that number, it might be blocked. If these steps helped you get your account verified, give this video a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech solutions. Thanks for watching.